Hi everybody, it's Sweet Spaces here in this bathroom, ready to declutter and organize these drawers. Stay tuned for the finished product. Okay, so here's my drawers that I have recently gone through, and I pretty much organized them in categories, but I really haven't gotten through a lot of the products. So I will be, this drawer actually I won't be going through. I did toss what I didn't need. Everything in there is really just the items I buy when I can't find the items I love. This drawer is going to be gone through, and I said like the, and this drawer. This really got a lot of stuff in it.